We have here views of the Misra Yantra from all directions. That's the front view, and here are the new moon and the quadrant segment, and the Dakshinottara Vitti Yantra there. The quadrants here, and the new moon and the Niyat chakra at the center for the measurement of declination, the extra quadrants here, and then the back wall which contains the Karkarashi Valaya. So here we have the front view of the Misra Yantra, and the new moon and the quadrants are for the time measurement, which have already been discussed. The center contains the Niyat chakra, these marble arcs, which can measure the declination of the sun, declination being the angle from the equator. And this declination, there are pegs here at the center. One can place a rod perpendicular to this, and the shadow falls on this. When the shadow is tangential to the scale here, then one can read the declination from this, and the zero of the declination is at the center, there 90 and 90. When the sun is on the north side, the shadow will fall on the southern side. Summer solstice, it would go to 23.5 degree here. Winter solstice day, 23.5 degree on this side. And it's a very simple instrument for measuring declination. Nowhere in the world is there such a simple instrument for measurement of declination of the sun, and even nighttime objects which can be done with this. And that's the Dakshinottara Vitti Yantra built into the eastern wall of the Misra Yantra. It's a simple angle measuring instrument. It can measure the meridian altitude of the sun. So that's the zero of this scale. One can place a pen or a stick jutting out from the scale here, and when the sun crosses the meridian, the shadow, we adjust that so that the shadow falls exactly at the center. That then gives the meridian altitude, the height of the sun, angular height of the sun from the horizon when it crosses the meridian, which is this is the plane of the meridian, north, south, and the zenith point. And the altitude of the sun, the maximum that it would go here in Delhi would be 85 degrees in the summer solstice day, we being 5 degrees north of the Tropic of Cancer. In fact, that also makes the back wall of the Misra Yantra, which we can see here. The back wall of the Misra Yantra tilt by about an angle of 5 degrees, so that it's tilted towards the Tropic of Cancer, and the Karkarashi Valaya there becomes parallel to the ecliptic, which is the angular movement of the sun, the apparent annular movement of the sun on the ecliptic. So that arc becomes parallel to the ecliptic, and we then have measurement of the ecliptic coordinates with this.